how to enable or disable lock sound on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on settings. Then in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on sounds and haptics. Next, we scroll down and in here tap on lock sound. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off lock sound. Now let's turn it on and you can see what happened when I press on the lock button on the side here. You can hear that sound making click noise. So that is a lock sound right there. Now if I switch it off, so if I turn off, and then if I press on the side button to lock my screen, this time it does not make any sound. And that's it. And that is how you can turn on or turn off lock sound on the iPhone 16 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.